All right, in section 2.4, another skill that we need to know how to do is write the equation of a line. Okay, let's say that we have 2 points, 0, 0, and 3, 5, and we need to write an equation that goes through those 2 points that is parallel to 2x minus 3y, or 2x minus 3y equal 12, and also perpendicular to x plus 2y equals 6. All right, let's just start over here with the parallel equation. Okay, first of all, the 2 points given to us are not on this line right here. Okay, we are to write an equation of a line parallel to this one. So the first thing we're going to do is solve for x. Okay, we're going to subtract the 2x, divide by -3. Okay, and that's going to give us y equals -4 plus 2/3 x. So we have a slope that is 2/3. If we're going to write an equation of a line that is parallel to that slope, then m must be the same. Okay, that slope is also going to be 2/3. Okay, let's go back over here to the perpendicular equation. If we're going to write an equation perpendicular to x plus 2y equals 6, when we solve for y, subtract the x and divide by 2. That's going to give us the equation y equals 3 minus 1/2 x, which our slope is -1/2. Well, to be perpendicular to -1/2, we must be positive, the opposite of negative, and the reciprocal. So the slope is going to have to be positive 2. Okay, let's put all that together. So far, we have y equals 2/3 x for the parallel equation and y equals 2x for the perpendicular equation. All we need to know is the y-intercept on the line. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this point, 3, 5, and we're going to use x and y off of that point. Since the point 3, 5 is going to be on the line, then we're going to use x equals 3 and y equals 5 to find out what the y-intercept is. So we're going to replace y with 5, x with 3, and that gives us 2/3 times 3 gives us 2. And when we subtract the 2 from the 5, we get b equals 3. So the equation of the line there that's parallel is y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Okay, on the perpendicular line, we're going to replace x and y with 3 and 5 as well. 2 times 3 is 6, so if we do 5 minus 6, we get -1. Okay, and so the equation there is y equals 2x minus 1. Okay, one thing we need to also look at is the different forms of the linear equations. Okay, here we have slope-intercept form, okay, because the slope and the y-intercept are part of the equation. Okay, on the next one we have what's called the point-slope form, because x and y stands for a point on the line and m is the slope. Okay, and the last version is called the standard form, where you have ax plus by equals c. C is your constant. Make sure that a, b, and c are all integers. Okay, integers are whole numbers, positive and negative whole numbers. All right, so let's just look at an example of that. If the slope is equal to 1 and a point on the line is 3, 5, okay, then using slope-intercept form, that equation would look like y equals 1 times x plus b. Again, I'm going to substitute 3 and 5 in, so 5 is equal to 1 times 3 plus b. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the slope-intercept form of the equation is y equals x plus 2. Okay? I can also use the same information that I just found to write in the point slope form. Okay, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. My slope is 1, and the x-coordinate on my point is 3, so x minus 3. And the y-coordinate is 5, so y minus 5. So this is the point slope form of the equation. Okay, and the last form is the standard form ax plus by equals c. I'm going to go ahead and use y equals x plus 2 to get started. If I put x and y on the same side of the equation together, it will be in standard form. So negative x plus y is equal to 2. So this equation and this equation are the same. Okay, this is the standard form, this is the point slope form, and this is the y-intercept form of the same equation.